Ooh, they're really biting today. Oh, hey! Yats. Hello, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. In today's video, we're going to learn how to say, I'm fishing. To say that in Navajo, you say, Łóó Hahashłeeh. Łóó Hahashłeeh. I'm fishing. And that's like catching fish on a line. If I'm catching one fish, I would say, Łóó Hahashłeeh. Łóó Hahashłeeh. If you're catching a fish, it would be Łóó Hahashłeeh. Łóó Hahashłeeh. If I wanted to ask, catch a fish for me, I would say, Łóó Hahashłeeh. Łóó Hahashłeeh. If I wanted to say, catch that fish, don't let it get away, I would say, Yego Łóó Hahashłeeh. Nitsa badol yed lago. Yego Łóó Hahashłeeh. Nitsa badol yed lago. Badol yed lago means don't let it come off, meaning off the hook. If my dad is catching a fish, I would say, Shije Łóó Hahashłeeh. Shije Łóó Hahashłeeh. Now, if I'm catching multiple fish, one after another, then I would say, Łóó Hahashłeeh. Łóó Hahashłeeh. That also means I'm fishing. If someone were to ask, Ha'ila banana, what are you doing? You can say, Łóó Hahashłeeh. Łóó Hahashłeeh. I'm fishing. You can also say, Łóó Hahashłeeh eya. Łóó Hahashłeeh eya. I'm going fishing. Now, if you're catching fish one after another, then it's Łóó Hahashłeeh. Łóó Hahashłeeh. If you wanted to ask, are you fishing? You would say, Łóó Hahashłeeh. Łóó Hahashłeeh. If you wanted to ask, when are you going fishing again? You can say, Chako Łóó Hahashłeeh na dinza. Chako Łóó Hahashłeeh na dinza. If my dad was catching one fish after another, or if he was fishing, I would say, Shije Łóó Hahashłeeh. Shije Łóó Hahashłeeh. This is where we get our Navajo word for fisherman in Navajo. Łóó Hahashłeeh. Łóó Hahashłeeh. If you want to say fishermen, three or more fishermen, you would say, Łóó Hahashłeeh. Łóó Hahashłeeh. You add in that D pluralizer. Now, Łóó Hahashłeeh is just fishing in general. If you wanted to say, let's go fishing, you would say, Tkien. Łóó Hahashłeeh dit ush, if there's two of you. If there's three or more of you, you would say, Tkien. Łóó Hahashłeeh di ka. And that is today's Navajo word of the day. Łóó Hahashłeeh. I'm fishing. Have a nice day.